I turned on my computer this morning and Microsoft Edge took over the screen and I couldn't do anything until I went through this tutorial of Microsoft Edge, and then I could close it out and use the computer. I don't want Microsoft Edge on my computer. That's why I didn't install it. Stop putting this on my computer. Hopefully I can get rid of this daggone thing. What is this? No, I don't want to use Internet Explorer as my default browser. Did not install it. You installed it. I didn't want it. It's my computer. I will only use the software that I want on it. Do not install the Microsoft Edge ever again on this computer. No, not really. That's the other thing that really bothers me about Microsoft recently is the way they write things. And I know the attempt is to make the computer more friendly, but they went so far overboard that the computer sounds like a joke. No, not really. I'm not sure yet. No, the answer is yes and no. And we only have the affirmative answer. We don't have the negative answer. Really getting tired of Microsoft lately. Good, it's gone. Now I can do what I wanted to do, and that wasted 10 minutes of my life. Unbelievable.